The door panel is secured to the door at a total of 5 points. 2 of the screws are located behind the cover of the interior door handle. Pry off the door handle cover. And remove the 2 screws underneath. At the bottom of the door panel, there are also 3 plastic push rivets. Unscrew or carefully pry out the center pin of each rivet, then pull out the outer part. The door panel is now only held in place by retaining clips. Starting at the bottom, pull the door panel firmly away from the door with a sharp tug. A suitable trim removal tool is linked in the description. Once all the clips have been released, lift the door panel upwards to remove it from the window channel and pull it away slightly. Remove the interior door handle cable from its guide and unhook it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connectors and you're done. The entire removal and installation process is quick and very easy. Good luck with the repair!